But whatever you want to do. Baby chippers. So how are we gonna get back there? Probably like just walk on the rocks and go across the fall. A quarter? Instant.
Like a little cave right here. Ooh, they all darted out. There's a bunch of chunks.
If we could get it to sink. There we go. Oh, it's a little guy. That's not even a dude. No way. No way. No way. See why I like the fish seas? Look at how pretty this fish is. Green sunfish right there. Look how pretty that little guy is. Huh? That's why I like doing this. There we go, guys. First fish. Tiny little green sunfish right there. Beautiful. Tiny little fish. I mean, like you can't pass these up, these little creeks. Just a tiny little green sunfish. There he goes. And they all look the same. That's the thing. So you never know, like, what you're gonna catch. Really? Holy crap, look at that. That's pretty sweet. A quarter? About over there. You'll get something down there. For sure. Don't fall. I wouldn't really go down there. I'd just stay up here. Creek chub? Doperoni. It's a big one. Watch your step. That's a big one right there. Hopefully.
Big one?
There we go.
Oh, that's it.
There we go. There we go. That's a good
like
one.
the size of the ones in Mill Creek.
Yeah. Look at that.
Not how big they are, to be honest with you.
Yeah. It's this little tiny creek chub. Those things are so pretty, dude. That's 24 tons of graphite. That's a lot of graphite.